So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a McDonald's account in the McDonald's app. So first of all, once you download the app, you'll see the golden arches or the golden letter M. Open it up. On here you will see Home, My M, Food, Restaurant, and More. From the More tab, you will see My Account, About McDonald's, Region, and Language. Click on My Account. On here it will say Login. You can click on Login. And on there, you will see good things ahead. Underneath, you can see the login, the white button, and the yellow or golden button that says sign up. Click on the sign up button. And through there, you can see the super important legal bit. So you will need to be over 16. So make sure that you are, so you can even create the account. And you can see the loyalty program. You can receive news. You can receive other news through email or your text. After that, click on continue. And you can see you can get with the program. You don't have to click on this. If you change your mind, so that's fine. You will need to input your first and last name. Then just type out your email and password. And once you've done that, you can just create an account. Now, since I already have one, these are only the steps and I will log in through the information I already have on my account. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on McDonald's or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.